Hello and welcome back again. So now in this video our main goal is to install node.js on our desktop or laptop. So for that purpose you need to go to your web browser, okay, whatever web browser you are using. Now here you have to search for node, okay, just search for node.js and click on the first link that appears here, nodejs.org. I will also provide its link down in the description of this video. Now on this web page you can see these two green color buttons, okay. Now you have to click on this, okay, LTS version. LTS means long term support, okay. So you will be able to see your operating system here. So I'm going to install this package, okay, and you are also recommended to use this. Now you can see that it has started to download my package. Now after it is downloaded in your machine, you just have to open it and follow the instructions and install it in your computer, okay. Now after this we need to verify if the installation is successful or not, okay, then only we are going to move ahead. So for that purpose what you can do here, because I am working on a Mac, so I have to open this terminal. In Windows you can open your command prompt or PowerShell, okay. Now you will be able to see this kind of thing, okay. Your computer's username will appear here, okay. Then here what you need to do, you just need to type this node, then space and -v, and what this command will do, this is going to give the version of node which is installed in your computer. So as you can see in my computer the current version is installed and that is version 12.9.0. so in this way you can check if node's installation was successful or not, and if the result is not same as mine then you might consider installing it one more time, okay. So let me also verify this by writing some code. So for that in this tutorial I'm going to use my VS Code editor, okay, you can see here. Now what I will do, I will create a new file, okay. I'm going to create a new file here and I will save it using Control S or Command S, right. So I will name it as hello.js, right, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. You can see here I have specified here to save this on my desktop. Now I'm going to save this and here I will write my one line program to output hello world on the screen. So here I am writing console.log and inside that I am going to write strings saying hello world, okay, hello world. Now save this, okay, using Control S or Command S. Now go back to your command prompt or terminal, or you can also use the built-in terminal inside this VS Code editor, okay. In the upper menu you can see this terminal option, so click on this new terminal and this terminal is going to open here. So let me explain this to you right here. So you can see that we are currently in JavaScript directory. So first of all you need to go to the directory where you have created this JavaScript file, okay. So because this is present on my desktop, so I have redirected to my desktop, okay. So for that you need to know these commands, okay. What are these commands? pwd, cd and so on. These are basically used to traverse the tree structure, okay. Now what you need to do, you just have to type here, node and the name of your JavaScript file that you just created, okay. So node, then hello.js, and see what is the output. You can see here on my screen it is saying this hello world, okay, right. So my program was successfully executed via the node.js environment, and if you are not comfortable in using this terminal, then what I will recommend, just open your command prompt or terminal, okay. If you are a Mac user then open terminal, and in case of Windows open your command prompt. Now here you just have to type this command pwd, and this is basically present working directory, okay. So here it has specified that I am inside my root, then users, and then I am inside my Shreyansh Shah. Okay, this is a directory. Now, to check all of the further directories and files which are present inside the present working directory, just type ls. Now you can see here we are having this desktop inside this. Okay, so here I'm going to write this cd means change directory, and the name of my directory in which I want to go, so desktop, and then just press enter. Now you can see here this tilde sign has changed to desktop. It means I am currently in my desktop. Okay, now you just need to write here this node and the name of your JavaScript file, and that is hello.js. Okay, like this, and press enter. Now you can see that it is displaying hello world, right? You can type it here anything else that you want, like I am learning node.js. Okay, I am learning node.js. Now I'm going to again compile this program, and now you can see when I return this command again, okay, after saving this JavaScript file, and then this output has changed. Okay, just as I have written here, it means that node is successfully installed and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so friends, now I will see you in the next video where I am going to explain you how to make web components, okay, or to create our first server using node.js. So I'm hoping to see you all in the next video.